What is up, guys? Technique24 here, and today I'll be unboxing the Lenovo M1 mini projector. So this is my first mini projector, and it was a really good price on Amazon, so I thought, why not give it a try? So here I am, and it's a pretty thin box, right, and everything. So one thing is, it is 854 by 480. I kind of wish it was 720 because it is 2020, but I don't know. I guess we're about to find out. Alright, so let's see how this goes. Alright. Alright. Let's see. Oh, so this is a slide-on box. Alright, sorry, it's been a while since I've unboxed anything, so, Alright. Oh, wow. Oh, that didn't come in. If you mean, blah, 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 troubleshoot and all that, Lenovo mini projector, and so I don't really know. So it's kind of weird. So it is Lenovo, but I don't know if it's by Lenovo. That's what's bothering me about this. But either way, that. Here is the star of the show, right here. Alright, we're going to push that to the side. Alright. Oh wow, it's going to be one of those unboxings, huh? Okay, so let's see what's in here. This looks like a... Oh wow, there's the Type-C to HDMI. That's actually pretty sweet. Alright. That's pretty cool. Check this out though. So this is the carry bag, but it comes with a, I don't know if you can see, but it's a Type-C to HDMI. Hopefully you can see. I don't know. The autofocus, I guess, kind of sucks. But either way, Type-C to HDMI. This right here is the carry bag. Good old Lenovo. Guide all the way underneath all the boxes and everything. Alright. Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm guessing this is the power adapter. It's they're using a proprietary. I'm like, if we're going to use USB-C, might as well switch everything to USB-C, right? It is 12 volt, 3 amps, or roughly 36 watts. Comes with batteries, and I'm guessing this is the remote. Yep, that is the remote. Alright, so it's that. This right here is the unit itself. It's a pretty nice unit, to be honest, and this is the remote. So I'm pretty excited for this to be my first projector. Guessing that's the slide. There it is. Alright. Just kind of got to adjust my focus nowadays, right? Alright guys. Thumbs up if you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe.